Nope, off the wall power washing specialists. Look at all those intersection blockers. Look at them! Raindrops keep falling on my, raindrops keep falling on my, raindrops keep falling on my. Wait, oh, Subaru driver. Dual turn fail. Come on, really? Red light runner. Can you hear the red light running through? Dang. Fine. Wait, that bus ran a red light.
Over the line!
You left him all alone, and he didn't like it, and that's red light run from Pennsylvania. Nice. Go right through. Go right through. Of course. Pretend that I'm not here. That's no left turn up there.
And once a year, you're going to check this filter. You were going to save some energy.
What the hell?
And then like a baseball.
Thank you.
Oh, whoa! Can't bring him down. Jeez.
You done messed up, Aaron!
Well, not just that, but I mean, I don't see him running out of money anytime soon.
Oh, okay.
You know, I mean,
But
Red.
good point. That's when people drop out when they run out of money.
yeah.
This is John Hallman, right? That's that guy's name, John Hallman. And then that's Willie Geist. And now he wrote the movie.
Yeah, what's up with people being dead center in the street? You have a stop sign there. Two red light runs.
A few moments later.
Nissan drivers. Really? What? Move. What the hell? What are you doing? Just park anywhere, I guess. On the side of the road. Wrong side of the road. That was red. Okay. Hi. That's a smart plan. You can't fit. What? Did he just turn left right in front of that guy? Because Honda. Of course. Yeah. You're an asshole. Red light runner Subaru. Red light runner, that Subaru. Red light runner. That was red light run. Jeez. Really practicing that social distancing here. I think it came from... That was red. Come on. What happened there? What the f... Seriously, stop. Yeah, just went right through a red light. And I don't think that's street legal either. No turn on red. Oh, you just went right through the stop sign. Yeah, just went right through the stop sign. Hello, UPS. Went right through the stop sign. Getting a lot more of these like blatant run-throughs. Where are you going? Nice if he had turn signals, you know. Because let's face it, there's a lot of bad drivers that are not very attentive, are they? Especially in this town. And you just ran through a stop sign. Whoa. He didn't even stop. He just looked to the left. Oh, he's far enough away. I'm not going to cut off anybody. Whoa! Did that guy really just do that? And another red light run. Although that first one was worser. That was red light run. And a green light sitter. Again. Oh look, you went right through the stop sign. No turn on red there. And another no turn. Right through. No turn on red. If you could have waited like 3 seconds and it would have been green. And you wouldn't have been in the video. Yeah, right through the stop sign. Good job. Oh, really? No turn on red and a red light runner. That was red. That Honda. Red light Subaru. Let's hope that gets on camera. At least like. Did not stop. Really? Let's be in the left lane for some reason. Yeah, like he could hear you. But still, it's still a dumb move. Move over there. No turn on red. Wow. No turn on red. Penske, they run those things to anyone, I guess.
Over the line!
Oh, Jesus. No turn on red. Oh, Jesus. That was not a right turn lane. Mm-hmm. Oh, that guy. Come on. It's like, how long were you gonna sit here?